In this video, you'll be learning how to shut down Windows 11 PC or laptop with just one click. So without any fault, press Windows key and R key together on your keyboard, and that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run and type for Reged Edit. Again, it is Reged Edit and click on OK to continue or to proceed. You would be getting an option or a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes. All you need to do is you need to click on on running a window called Registry Editor. Now here at the Registry Editor, before you proceed, you would be able to see a path as well as a command there, okay? All you need to do is you need to copy it, and here at the address bar, please paste it here. So by that, make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted it, hit the enter key, and in that way you would be easily navigated to the key named shell. Okay. So here at the shell, this is a very important key because this is where we are gonna make our shutdown key. So by that, you need to proceed again to the pasted key that you have copied at the description box below, and then you need to copy the first key with this, which is Shutdown PC. And from here, please make a right click, go with new and go with key, and you need to rename that into the name that we have set, okay, with this Shutdown PC, and then hit the enter key, and in that way it would be created here. So from here, you need to create a new key again, and that is to type for a command, a key named command. So by that, you need to make a right click here, go with key new and go with key, and please type for a command. Then hit the enter key, and once you have set it, please navigate here at the default, and you need to set the value data into this one, which is shutdown space dash p, and then control C to copy, and please proceed to the default, double tap and change the value data into it. So go with OK. And once you have set the value data into that one, you need to close or minimize the window and refresh here the desktop. So make a right click, click on refresh. Okay. So I can see that there is now a shutdown PC option. Okay. So by that, we need to go back to the registry editor, and this is the time that we will now add an icon for it. Okay. For easy identification. So here, in order to create a icon for that shutdown, you need to type for this one, which is select shutdown PC. Okay. So you need to select the shutdown PC here. Okay. And once you have selected it, you need to make a right click, go with new, go with string value, and you need to name that icon. Okay. And then hit the enter key. And once done, you need to set the value data into this one, shell32.dll, comma, hyphen 329. So copy it. Once you have copied it, please double tap here and set the value data into that. So please make a right click and click on paste. Once done, click on OK and minimize or close the window here. Make a right click here to refresh, go with refreshed and refresh it once again. And this time you need to proceed on making a right click, go with show more options. Okay, and check if the icon has been successfully added. Yes, it is being successfully added. So since the target of this video is to shut down the PC in just a click, if you would like to do it, then make a right click here, go with show more options and click on this shut down PC once and you would be able to turn off your PC. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.